Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project and wiring the data model. This is where structure matters. Create an empty activity in Kotlin and set min SDK21, then add recycler view, material components, view model, live data, and room to build a maintainable app. Next, implement a question data class and mark it as a room entity. Include ID, question text, an options array, and an answer index. Once done, scaffold a DAO and a simple in-memory repository so you can iterate UI without waiting on persistence. Now connect UI to state. Design a question screen with a text view for the prompt, a recycler view for selectable options, a next button, and a progress indicator so users know where they are. Implement a view model holding current index, selected answer, and score. Expose them as live data to keep the UI reactive. Bind the recycler view adapter to send selections to the view model. Once synchronized, add navigation component fragments or controlled fragment transactions to handle screen transitions and preserve state across configuration changes. Finish by implementing score calculation and result presentation. When the user submits, compare selected answers to correct indices, update score, and persist a high score either in room or shared preferences. Build a result screen that shows correct count, a per question breakdown, and a retry button that resets view model state. Once done, run instrumentation and unit tests for logic and UI. If things go wrong, enable logs, inspect live data emissions, and check index bounds. Off-by-one errors are the most common crash source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.